suave, youthful, and carefree. These are the essence of Fresh 11 fragrance composition. Let's find out more about the components in it. Starting with the native orchid. Impressively fragrant, this orchid releases a refreshing, citrusy scent that is an extremely perfect addition to our collection. Our fragrance compositions are invariably imbued with a sense of calm and serenity due to the infusion of therapeutic orchids. But more to that, they are known for their medicinal benefits as well. A medicinal herb found in China, this therapeutic orchid is used in decoction to reduce swelling, improve blood circulation, clear phlegm, and relieve joint pains. Other illnesses such as fractures and traumatic injuries can also be remedied with it. This orchid has an extensive herbal usage and has been used to treat a diverse of conditions. These diseases range from nourishing the body, improving condition of lungs, kidney, and blood circulation to relieving rheumatism and suppressing coughs. And these are just to name a few. Moving on. On top of the aquatic vibe in the fragrance, spices like clove and black pepper are added, boasting a rich and spicy scent. Spices play a key role in adding depth and a lingering warmth to perfumes. It helps in boosting the longevity of perfumes and creates a characteristic unique element. Warm, sweet, and aromatic, cloves' qualities of deep sweet and woody tones enabled it to lend a touch of exotic to any fragrance. Traditionally, cloves essential oil have been used for their various medicinal values, ranging from anti-cancer to antimicrobial activities. When applied topically, it can also help with pain relief, wound healing, or to ease itching. Finally, finishing off the composition with a dash of orange and spearmint for a splash of zesty refreshment as bright accent top notes, adding freshness and the color of brightness to create a harmonious olfactory profile. Both ingredients are known for their energizing and invigorating elements, providing the effect of balancing and soothing negative moods while lifting spirits. Still undecided? Fresh 11 would be an amazing choice. A well-executed, refreshing, simple scent that is light enough to be easy crowd pleasers, yet delivering decent longevity with its spicy nuances at the same, making it the best of both worlds.